Hey everyone, in this video, we're going to do a 5-minute birth ball workout. This is great if you are in your second or third trimester pregnancy and wanting to just prepare your pelvis for labor and for birth. So all you'll need is a birth ball, and you can just grab it and come onto a yoga mat or just on the ground like so. This yoga ball is a little bit small for me because my hips and knees are about the same height. So you want a ball that is big enough in which your hips are a little bit higher than your knees. So once you grab the birth ball, let's have you head to the mat. All right, we're just going to start with some circles. So we're just going to start moving our pelvis forwards and backwards in a counterclockwise or clockwise direction, because we'll end up doing both sides or both directions. So we're just going to do that for about 10 times, 10, 15 times. And really feel like your pelvis is leading the motion. You shouldn't be really using your whole body. It should be all from the pelvis. And this is great because your pelvis is 3D and it can move. It has the ability to rotate and move in all different directions. Your pelvis is not a rigid structure. All right, then we'll switch directions. So now I'm going into a clockwise manner. So again, we'll do that for about 10, 15 reps. Again, this is a workout routine that you can do every single day. Highly recommend if you are preparing for birth and wanting to just open up all the muscles, pelvic floor muscles, glutes to prepare for birth. All right, now we're going to go into anterior and posterior pelvic tilts. So I want you to think about arching your back and then rounding your back, and you'll just go back and forth. Now this is a great exercise because it encourages the baby to drop into the pelvis. So we're going to do that for about 10, 15 times. And again, really try to just lead the motion from your pelvis. You don't want to be moving your whole body again, just all the motion from the pelvis. And now we're going to go side to side. So again, with our lateral side tilts, we're just going side to side, keeping our ribs nice and elongated and tall, just moving from our pelvis. Great. And then we're just going to end with some bouncing a little bit, and then we'll move on to some stretches. So we'll just have you bounce for a little bit. It should feel relaxing. You should feel like you're able to relax your abdomen, all your muscles, no clenching of your butt, please. Great. Let's do a few more. Awesome. So now we're going to just widen our legs, and we're just going to grab onto one of our legs, and we're just going to do a side bend stretch. Just feel that nice stretch in the side of your back. And then we'll go to the other side. And we'll switch. And switch. And we'll do one more per side. Right, and then we're going to end with some rotation. So just sitting up nice and tall, rotate your trunk and your shoulders. Now you can do rotation throughout your pregnancy. So many of my patients are being told, like, don't rotate when you're pregnant. But rotation is such a key movement. It helps open up your back, your spine, lengthens your abdominal fascia, creates space in your back. Great. And then we'll just end with some bouncing. So again, this is just a very quick routine to help just open up your pelvis, your lower back, your glutes, your sides of your abdominal wall, just to loosen things up and get things going. So again, you can do this every day throughout your second and third trimester. You can even do some of these throughout your early labor just to facilitate your progression of labor. All right, and we're all finished. So let me know if you have any questions. You can leave it in the comments below, and I'll get back to you.